Dear students, today we are going to learn English alphabet. आज हम इंग्लिश के अल्फ़ाबेट और इंग्लिश के लेटर सीखने वाले हैं. Dear students, today we are going to learn the new letter which is letter O. This is capital O and this is small o. So we will learn the words which start with letter O and to write letter O properly. For starting letter O, we are going to sing a very lovely song. Shall we begin? Let's begin. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग था ना ये. लेट्स रिपीट. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Very good. So dear student, today's letter is O. O. So today we are going to learn the new letter O. What is the phonic sound of O? Do you know? O. O. O की आवाज कैसी है? O की है. Let's see which words start with letter O. Repeat after me. O is for orange. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for owl. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. O is for onion. O is for onion. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. O is for ox. O is for ox. O is for otter. O is for otter. O is for ocean. O is for ocean. O is for oven. O is for oven. O is for oil. O is for oil. O is for oyster. O is for oyster. O is for orca. O is for orca. O is for oak. O is for oak. O is for oar. O is for oar. O is for open. O is for open. O is for officer. O is for officer. O is for omelette. O is for omelette. O is for oatmeal. O is for oatmeal. So dear students, we learn many words which start with letter O. Let's read with the phonic sound of O. O. O orange. O orange. O owl. O owl. O octopus. O octopus. O onion. O onion. O ostrich. O ostrich. O ox. O ox. O otter. O otter. O ocean. O ocean. O oven. O oven. O oil. O oil. O oyster. O oyster. O orca. O orca. O oak. O oak. O or. O or. O open. O open. O officer. O officer. O omelette. O omelette. O oatmeal. O oatmeal. So dear students, we also learn the many words which start with letter O and with the phonic sound of O. Let's see how to write O properly. First we will draw a curve like a C, and then we will join the beginning point. Understood? This is capital O. And how to write small o? Same, but we have to write it small. So dear students, हमें कैपिटल O कैसे लिखना है? कर्व बनाना है C की तरह, और जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट से हमने स्टार्ट किया है वहाँ पर ले जाकर इसको ज्वाइन करना है. दिस इज कैपिटल O. स्मॉल o भी सेम होगा, बस आपको स्मॉल लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? So dear students, let's see how to write O properly on 3 lines. O is for owl. Start from first line, make a curve and join with the beginning point. This is O. Write on 3 lines. 3 lines पर ही लिखना है आपको. O. Trace the dots. Say while writing. This is capital O. How to write small o? Start from second line. You have to write the small o between 2 lines. 2 lines पर लिखना है आपको. O. Small o. This is small o. Understood? Let's see. Start from the first line, make a curve and join with the starting point. This is capital O. Small o second line से start करना है आपको और 2 lines पर लिखना है. Understood? It is very easy. This is small o and this is capital O. Dear students, आपको अगर वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए. हमने बहुत सारे वर्ड्स देखे जो ओ से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ओ को कैसे लिखना है प्रॉपरली हमने वो भी समझा. तो हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट लेटर के साथ, विच इज पी. सो कीप लर्निंग. वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक्स. बाय.